This is Ryan Neal from the USA office of Cowboy Sewing Machines, and today we're going to be demonstrating our 800 series leather skiver splitting machine. This machine has the ability to do both level and lap skives, meaning that on a lap skive that the piece is tapered down very, very thin to a feather edge at the very, very end of the piece. So you can see right here on this piece that we already ran through the machine, it's very, very straight, very, very level the whole way across, then it thins down to a tapered piece. So this machine has the ability to do both level skives and lap skives being this piece right here. So we're going to go ahead and run the leather through the machine here, and I'll show you how easy it is to do a lap skive on this machine. Don't forget also that we're running a pretty thick piece of leather through this machine, also a very wide piece. This is also skirting leather, which is very, very hard, very, very tough, very, very dense leather. So I want to show you how easy it is to pull a piece like this through the machine. So the first thing we do is insert the piece into the back of the machine and underneath this hold down bar. And then after that we'll just take the handle, push it all the way forward so that the roller is forced against the blade. And then after that we simply pull the leather through the machine just like that, keeping pressure on this handle. And then you'll see what happens is it tapers the piece down very, very evenly and very, very smoothly. So we'll go ahead and set the adjustable depth stop adjustment on this machine to go ahead and skive a piece of approximately 1 inch wide skirting leather, the same type of leather as what we did for the lap skive. So I'm going to go ahead and drop the depth stop adjustment down just a little bit. And what that'll do is that'll allow us to do a level skive. So we'll be able to skive all the way across this piece and it'll all be a uniform thickness. So I'm going to go ahead and start on this side of the piece, rest your thumb against the blade to get it started, and then simply pull the piece through very, very rapidly. And you'll see that we have a very, very thin piece, very, very even piece the whole way across. Now to finish the other side, the side that I had used to grab through the machine, or to grab hold of to pull through the machine, we simply turn the piece back around, go to the piece that's already been skived, and then pull it through just like that. And then so what you end up with is a very, very uniform, very, very identical thickness the entire way through the piece. So this machine does have an adjustable depth stop for various thicknesses of leather. So we can actually, on this last piece, we took quite a bit of leather off. So what we'll do is try to go on a smaller, or go on a thinner piece of leather. So I'll back the depth stop adjustment, turning it downward, we'll skive off less leather. So let me go ahead and test this piece. Okay, we're not taking off enough leather, so I'm going to go ahead and drop it down just a little bit more. So now we're going to just take a very, very thin skive off the bottom of this piece, and you'll see that it can split to almost razor thin pieces. You can see we have a fan running in the background, and you can see that that piece of leather is just like a piece of paper almost. So you can do very, very thin skives on this machine as well. And then again, when we pull the other piece through, just like that, so that we do the other side of the piece. So this is our 800 series leather splitter skiving machine. My name is Ryan Neal from Cowboy Sewing Machines, USA office. You can reach me at neilre@comcast.net, or my telephone number is 330-692-1418. Thank you for your time today.